Good morning, students. You are cordially welcomed to Kailash English Environment. Last episode, we discussed about the festivals of Meghalaya and Tripura. In the last episode of the topic, we shall discuss about the festivals of Nagaland and Sikkim from 12th to 16th paragraph of the topic Festivals of Northeast India. Let's move to the 12th, 13th and 14th paragraph of the topic. Nagaland consists of different groups of people who are unique in their customs and traditions, that they celebrate songs and dances for the soul of these festivals. Celebration of this festival is an effective means of preserving and passing down their oral history. A major Naga festival is Mostu, celebrated mainly in the villages after the sowing season. Dressed in colorful clothes and headgear, decorated with feathers and wild boar tusks, the people in villages dance to the traditional music. One of the India's most colorful and charming festival is Nagaland's Hornbill Festival. Named after the state's most admired bird, the event showcases the cultural heritage of 16 tribes there. It is a 10-day long cultural dance and sporting events held in December every year. Men clad in full warrior costumes show off their hunting and warring skills. Their consist of means contains. Odisha consists of 30 districts. Preserve means to maintaining something in its original state. We should preserve our tradition and transmit it to the next generation. Oral history, which means collection of historical information that has not written. The story of Dharmapada is just an oral history. Hornbill, an admired bird in Nagaland. Showcases, to display or demonstrate. The demonstration really showcases the merits of new education policy. Now costume, a style of dress including garments, accessories and hairstyle. The dancer is wearing tribal costume. Heritage, the tradition, qualities and culture of a country. History collects the information from the heritage. Now come to the substance. Different tribal groups of people live in Nagaland. They celebrate their unique festivals according to their customs and traditions. Songs and dances are the most important features of these festivals. Celebration of festivals is an important way to preserve and transmit their oral history from generation to generation. One of the important Naga festival is Mostu. It is celebrated in the villages after the sowing season. In this festival, the village people wear colorful clothes and headgear decorated with feathers and wild boar tusks and dance with traditional music. Another important festival of Nagaland is Hornbill Festival. It is famous in India. The festival is named after a bird, hornbill, which the people of Nagaland admire most. The festival demonstrates the cultural habits and traditions of the people of 16 tribes in Nagaland. It is celebrated for 10 days in the month of December every year. Cultural dance and sporting events are held during the festival. People wearing warriors' costume exhibits their hunting or warring skills in the cultural programs. Now come to the 15th paragraph. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is one of the most beautiful states of India. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show and as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout this festival, people take part in lively dances and music. Saga Dawa is an amazing Buddhist festival celebrated in the full moon day in Tibetan lunar months between May and June. On this sacred day, people visit the monasteries, offer prayer, water, incense sticks, and butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. Losung is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Locals wearing brightly colored masks, playing fascinating musical instruments, perform charm dance. Archery contest is also held along with feasting and other celebrations. Tibetan New Year Losar is marked with immense joy, extensive meals and merriment. It is usually held in February. Tihar is the festival of light. It is somewhat like Diwali. Pomp and show, which means splendor or show off. We celebrate Durga Puja with pomp and show. Buddhist calendar. It is a lunisolar calendar which was once popular in Tibet, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and China. Take part, which means participate. Gandhi did not like to take part in games and sports. Amazing, which means causing wonder. It is amazing how a person could change. Lunar month. The average time between one new moon to the next. Monasteries. The buildings occupied by the community of monks living under religious vows. Commemorate. To remind of an important person or an event of the past. Diwali commemorates the return of Sri Ram to Ajodhya. Enlightenment. Knowledge and understanding about something. The ancient sages meditated for days together for enlightenment. Immense, which means a lot of, plenty of. The festivals give an immense joy. Now the substance. Sikkim is a beautiful state in the northeast India. It is situated in the eastern Himalaya. The festival of Sikkim are celebrated with great joy and zeal. They are celebrated according to Buddhist calendar. The people took part in lively dance and music throughout the festivals. Saga Dawa is an important Buddhist festival celebrated on the full moon day in the Tibetan lunar month between May and June. On this holy day, people of Sikkim visits monasteries, offer prayer, water, incense stick and butter lamps to Lord Buddha. The festival reminds the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. Losung is another festival of Sikkim. It is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Wearing bright colored masks, people perform charm dance with beautiful music. Archery contest is held in this festival along with grand feast. Tibetan New Year festival is Losar. It is celebrated in the month of February with great joy and feasts. Tihar is the festival of light in Sikkim, just like our Diwali. Now come to the 16th paragraph of the topic. Hardly a month passes in any of the 7 states without a festival or two. Most of them have a religious importance or significance, as the people offer thanks to the gods for a good harvest or prosperity, or ask for protection against calamities. But these celebrations also help encourage cultural and artistic activities and bring out the natural talent of the people. Here, calamity means a sudden bad event that causes a lot of damage or unhappiness. Natural calamity affect the poor people badly. Bring out means to make. The annual function of our school brings out the talents of the students. Now the substance. We cannot get even a single month in which the people of Northeast do not celebrate festivals. They pray God for prosperity and protection and thank God for the same thing in the festivals. The festivals also encourage the cultural and artistic activities and brings the natural talent of the people to the forefront. Now let's discuss some short answer type questions and their answers. What are the two important Naga festivals? Maustu and Hornbill. What form the soul of the festival in Nagaland? Songs and dances. What is the effective means of preserving and passing down the oral history? Celebration of festivals. What is Maustu? A major Naga festival. When is Hornbill festival celebrated? In December every year. What does Hornbill festival showcase? The cultural heritage of 16 tribes of Nagaland. Where is the festival Saga Dawa celebrated? In Sikkim. What do people visit during Saga Dawa? Monasteries. What do people offer in monasteries? Prayer, water, incense sticks and butter lamps. What does the festival Saga Dawa commemorate? Birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. When is Losang celebrated? At the end of the harvest season. Which dance do people perform during Losang? Charm dance. What contest is held during the celebration of Losang? Archery contest. What do people offer to the gods for a good harvest? Thanks. Which is the festival of light in Sikkim? Tihar. Now let's discuss some long answer type questions and their answer. What is oral history? How is it preserved and passed in Nagaland? Oral history is a collection of historical information which is not written but is passed on by the people who remember past events. The people of Nagaland celebrate their festivals based on their customs and traditions with songs and dances. Celebration of these festivals are the important means to preserve and pass down their oral history. Now second question. How are the festivals of Nagaland celebrated? Maustu is a major Naga festival celebrated in village area after sowing season. Wearing colorful clothes and headgear decorated with feathers and wild boar tusk, they perform dance. Hornbill is another festival which is observed for 10 days to honor the most admired bird, Hornbill. It showcases the cultural heritage of 16 tribes of Nagaland. Wearing full warrior's costume, men show off their hunting and warring skills. Now third question. How do people in Sikkim celebrate their festival? Saga Dawa is an important Buddhist festival of Sikkim. Celebrated on full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. On this day, people visit the monasteries, offer prayer, water, incense sticks, and butter lamps. The festival reminds people the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. Festival Losung is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Wearing colorful masks, people perform charm dance. Tihar is the festival of light celebrated in Sikkim. In this way, students, we have completed the topic Festival of Northeast India. Next time I will come to you with a new topic. See you soon. Stay blessed.